Just imagine what kind of political deals might have been done in the back of this airplane, you know?
The personal plane of one of the great military commanders of the 20th century, General Douglas MacArthur, who lived in Wisconsin in his youth.
I'm standing in front of a Lockheed Constellation that was built in 1948. In its day, it was, the most modern long-range airplane they were flying in the world.
MacArthur led the Allied forces to victory in the Pacific in World War II, and then used this plane while guiding them through the Korean War. It's now over 75 years old and was recently restored. So let's take a look inside.
And this is a bar you use like when you land somewhere or whatever, for whatever. It'll carry 21 people. Like I say, everything here was made custom for this airplane. This is like a conference room right here. And then here's a picture with a bunch of famous people around it, including President Truman. Scamp down the side, Supreme Commander, Allied Pacific. What you call crew quarters right here, so to speak. Here's the cockpit. It takes 3 people to fly it. We have a flight engineer and the captain and the co-pilot. And when we restored it, we tried to keep it, make it look, sharp and new, but still keep the original look with the original kind of instruments. Very comfortable range, 2,000 miles, very comfortable. If you slow down a little bit, then it'll go 3,000 miles if you slow it down a little bit. When we restored it, we tried to keep it, make it look, sharp and new, but still keep the original look.
And the plane still bearing the name Bataan or Bataan after the important Philippine region in World War II, named by MacArthur himself. Reporting at AirVenture, David Go, Fox 11 News.